What is the fuse box diagram and location for the 2019 Toyota Corolla? The fuse box is located under the dashboard on the driver's side and in the engine compartment for easy troubleshooting access. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2019 Toyota Corolla engine compartment fuse box houses fuses that protect essential systems such as the engine, headlights, and cooling fans. It provides easy access for troubleshooting and replacement. The box is designed for efficient circuit management and reliability. Driver's side instrument panel. The 2019 Toyota Corolla driver's side instrument panel provides clear gauges and controls for vital vehicle information. It ensures drivers can easily monitor speed, fuel levels, and warnings. The layout is user-friendly for convenient access and operation.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.